Hey there, in this video, I'm gonna share with you how nature's golden herb can help you in more ways than one. In this one, we cover turmeric. All right, so turmeric is that golden herb that has been used for hundreds of years in both food and in medicine, okay? Now, what is the history of it? There have been pots discovered from 2500 BC that show residue of turmeric, showing that it has been used for centuries. It was used also as a part of traditional Indian and Chinese medicine. And in the past, turmeric was also used as color dye for clothing. And interestingly enough, India today is the biggest producer of turmeric in the world. All right, so what are some of the medical benefits of this herb that could actually help us with our health? Well, some of the benefits include that turmeric is highly anti-inflammatory and its effectiveness rivals ibuprofen. It also has the power to destroy cancer cells. It lowers cholesterol, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. It can stabilize the blood sugar levels and even prevent diabetes. Now, how do we actually use it? Well, one of the easiest ways to use it is to simply start adding more of it into your cooking, okay? But be very careful though, because turmeric has a very strong flavor to it, all right? You don't need that much in your cooking. You can also look at applying turmeric externally on the body with things like a poultice. So we can use turmeric in a multitude of different ways. You know, it's amazing that God actually put these healing properties in the turmeric plant. And it reminds us of this Bible verse right here, speaking of how God is the healer of all of our diseases. In Psalms chapter 103, verses 2-3, we read, "Bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not all his benefits, who forgiveth all thine iniquities, who healeth all thy diseases." So if you're struggling with some of the things that we mentioned and you think that turmeric would help you, we encourage you to give it a shot. So with that being said, we'll see you guys in the next video. God bless, and until next time.